Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, Mooeiz from Machine, and today we're going to talk about the Apple Arcade and the Apple Music that is available on your Apple devices. First of all, let's talk about the Apple Arcade. Apple Arcade is actually a gaming subscription service that features well over 100 plus games that have no in-app purchases, are downloadable for offline play, and can be played across iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple TV with your friends and family. Similarly goes with the Apple Music. Apple Music is a music and video streaming services that allow subscribers to select music streams to their device on demand, or they can listen to existing playlists.
Did you know that you can actually share the Apple services with your family and friends? Well, if you had subscribed to the Apple One subscription, your family members will be able to enjoy Apple Arcade and Apple Music together in a single subscription for only RM31.90. Today, I would like to show you how you can do it.
2, 1, go!
First, go to the settings, select your Apple ID, tap subscriptions, select Apple One, and then choose the family bundle plan. You can get a trial for 1 month to enjoy free benefits of Apple services, including Apple Arcade and Apple Music. To set up family sharing so that your family is able to enjoy the subscription, go back to the Apple ID settings, tap Family Sharing, then tap Set up your family. Follow the on-screen instruction to set up your family and invite your family members. After a successful setup, you should be able to see your family members' Apple ID on your family sharing. To confirm, tap on the Apple Music subscription. Then, you notice below the shared with list, your family members are also shared the same Apple services.
There you go. Now you can enjoy an exclusive music streaming with your family members, share the same playlist by playing the Apple Arcade games together online. So make sure you get yourself an iPhone or iPad at the Machine website at www.machine.com.my, or just go to any nearby Machine outlets. Remember to purchase our Machine Partner Shop plan from the starting price of RM349 for an exclusive 2 years coverage of accidental and liquid damage. And also don't forget to get a free trial for 1 month on the Apple One subscription for free. So stay home and stay safe. Mooeiz signing out.